Great good morning to all. I, Sumit Kumar Singh, welcome all of you in Magat Putra YouTube channel. My dear friends, today in this video we are going to read, recall and revise the UPSC Civil Services Mains Examination 2018 Question Paper 2018 Civil Services Mains General Studies Paper 1. General Studies Paper 1. Samanya Adhyan Paper 1. So today in this video we are going to only read, recall and revise, not going to any analysis, any discussions or any elaborations. The purpose of this video only to revise the civil services previous year question paper. So let us start. Time allowed 3 hours and maximum marks 250 marks. First we will read question paper specific instructions. Please read each of the following instructions carefully before attempting questions. There are 20 questions. How many questions? 20 questions printed both in Hindi and in English. All questions are compulsory. The number of marks carried by a question part is indicated against it. Answers must be written in the medium authorized in the admission certificate, which must be stated clearly on the cover of this question come answer. QCA booklet in the space provided. No marks will be given for answers written in a medium other than the authorized one. Answers to questions number 1 to 10 should be 150 words, and whereas the answer to questions number 11 to 20 should be 250 words. Question number 1 to 10, 150 words, and question number 11 to 20, 250 words. Keep the word limit. We have to also focus on the word limitations indicated in the questions in mind. Any page or portion of the page left blank in the question come answer booklet must be clearly struck off. Now, question number 1. Safeguarding the Indian art heritage is the need of the moment. Discuss. Answer in 150 words, 10 marks. Now, question number 2. Assess the importance of the accounts of the Chinese and Arab travelers in the reconstructions of the history of India. Answer in 150 words as well as in it contains 10 marks. Question number 3. Throw light on the significance of the thoughts of Mahatma Gandhi in the present times. Answer in 150 words and 10 marks. Now, question number 4. Why is Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System IRNSS needed? How does it help in navigation? Answer in 150 words, 10 marks. Now, question number 5. Why is the India taking keen interest in resources of Arctic region? Answer in 150 words, 10 marks. Now, question number 6. Define mantle plume and explain its role in plate tectonics. Answer in 150 words, 10 marks. Now, question number 7. What are the consequences of spreading of dead zone on marine ecosystem? Answer in 150 words and 10 marks. Now, question number 8. Caste system is assuming a new identities and associational forms. Hence, caste system cannot be eradicated in India. Comment. Answer in 150 words and 10 marks. Question number 9. Despite implementation of various programs for eradication of poverty by the government of in India, poverty is still existing. Explain by giving reasons. Answer in 150 words, 10 marks. Question number 10. How the Indian concept of secularism is different from the Western model of secularism? Discuss. Answer in 150 words, 10 marks. Now, question number 11. The Bhakti movement received a remarkable reorientation with the advent of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Discuss. Answer in 250 words. and 15 marks. Now from 11 to 20, 250 words and 15 marks. Now question number 12. Discuss whether formation of a new state in recent times is beneficial or not for the economy of India. Answering 250 words and 15 marks. Now question number 13. Why indentured labor was taken by the British from India to other colonies? Have they been able to preserve their cultural identity over there? Answer in 250 words. Now, question number 14. The ideal solution of depleting groundwater resources in India is water harvesting system. How can it be made effective in urban areas? Answer in 250 words. Now, question number 15. Defining Blue Revolution. Explain the problems and strategies. Explain the problems and strategies for PC culture development in India. Answer in 250 words. Now, question number 16. What is the significance of industrial corridor in India? Identifying industrial corridor. Explain their main characteristics. Answer in 250 words. Now, question number 17. Mention core strategies for the transformation of aspirational districts in India and explain the nature of convergence, collaboration and competition for its success. 250 words, 15 marks. Now, question number 18. Women's movement in India has not addressed the issue of women of lower social strata. Substantiate your views. Answer in 250 words, 15 marks. Question number 19. Globalization is generally said to promote cultural homogenization, but due to this cultural specificities appear to be strengthened in Indian society. Elucidate. Answer in 250 words and 15 marks. Question number 20. Communalism arises either due to power struggle or relative deprivation. Urge by giving suitable illustrations. Answer in 250 words and 15 marks. So that's all. These are the 20 questions which I already read in front of you of UPSC Civil Services Mains Examination 2018 question paper Samanya Adhyayan Prashna Patra 1 General Studies paper 1. So that's all. In the series of no previous year questions, we are revising, recalling or rereading the previous year questions so that we able to, and by reading the question paper, you able to know the pattern of asking the question by UPSC or the Commission. What are the important topic or important current affair, or what are the important areas from which the Commission generally asks the question. So you will evaluate yourself while reading the question multiple times. Thank you. Have a great day.